Step into a legacy of excellence spanning 5 decades with Luthra Pneumsys. As pioneers in industrial automation products, we redefine standards from precision automation components manufacturing to crafting piping systems to convey an array of fluid and gas medias. We ensure unmatched efficiency for effective utilization and adaptability for fluids and gases. Pneumsys fittings herald a new era in modular piping technology for fluids and gases. The superior mirror finish interior of the Pneumsys aluminum pipe transcends mere aesthetics, defecting traditional options like black iron, steel, and copper. This assures laminar flow and safeguards against contamination. Pneumsys provides sustainable solutions through a continual stream of products like groove couplings, push-fit saddles, and 3-way manifolds. Pneumsys groove coupling encompasses the standards of safety and performance of pipeline design. Robust design, ease of installation, and ability to take lateral loads without failing or leakages sets a new standard for safe and reliable installation in pipelines. Pneumsys water trap saddle ensures moisture-free air discharge to the outlets, hence ensuring longer life of pneumatic components and lower downtime of working components. Pneumsys 3-way manifold's robust design and ergonomic functionality makes it impact resistant. This ensures multiple operations to be carried out simultaneously with ease and increase in working output. Pneumsys push-fit system simplifies compressed air installation with unprecedented speed and effortless customization. Our unwavering commitment to longevity is exemplified by using alternate materials to conventional applications, thus eliminating corrosion and increasing performance of pipelines. From the cornerstones of machine tool manufacturing to the fertile fields of food and agriculture, Luthra Pneumsys is propelling the adaptability of automation in industrial applications. Having surpassed more than 6,500 projects, Luthra Pneumsys has set a benchmark of resilience to deliver consistent quality and services. Experience the Luthra Pneumsys difference, the trusted name in reliable fluid management solutions.